Me reborn, me rising, anything possible. Jesus hold me and know me unstoppable. Walk out the pain, leave every obstacle. Stronger to man shine undeniable. Me reborn, me rising, anything possible. Jesus hold me and know me unstoppable. Walk out the pain, leave every obstacle. Stronger to man shine undeniable. Betrayal cut deep, but me never lose faith. Cry 2 tears, then me wipe off my face. Quiet me walk, me never argue nor chase. Cause God in my steps, so me move in a grace. Me rid off the ties where I hold down my soul. Free up me heart, now me back in control. No bitterness there, me no carry no load. My spirit get light like sunshine on road. Me can do this, me prove it already. Life lift up when your heart stays steady. Peace in my chest and my blessings come heavy. Reborn woman, confident, ready. Me survive by my own cause Jehovah provide. Every door we lock, him open it wide. Stability is sweet when your purpose align. Make a ready pan track, now me step in my prime. You love the air, me heart feel clean. No drama from before, me no bring them things in. Me heal up the past, now my love can win. Me joy turn up high like reggae pan rhythm. Watch how me rise, no apology. Self-love, I'm a new philosophy. Anything possible when God guide me. Me unstoppable, watch destiny. Me reborn, me rising, anything possible. Jesus hold me and know me unstoppable. Walk out the pain, leave every obstacle. Stronger to man shine, undeniable. Undeniable. Undeniable.